it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Trunk Club unboxing, y'all. So I have quite a few things in this haul. So Trunk Club, if you're not familiar, is a Nordstrom clothing subscription service. So you sign up, a stylist will curate a box of items that person thinks you will like based on your profile and your Pinterest page and Instagram pages you like, all that fun stuff. The dog just knocked on the tripod down there. So you get this box, you try everything on, what you want to keep, you pay for, what you don't care for, you send back. It actually also comes in this cute, like, actual trunk. So I feel like the little details make it cute too. So as far as Trunk Club, I'm pretty sure I've updated my profile to only send me a box every 3 months. Trunk Club can get pretty pricey. Like I mentioned, it's a Nordstrom box. So while they do have really nice items, and I've sort of figured out the brands that are more affordable, in general, it is more pricey than the typical subscription box. So I'm excited for this one. As always, this time of year, I request summery things, and I want bright colors, but I also want basics and neutrals. There is a pair of skinny jeans in here, which is not typically my go-to more recently, but I'll explain when we get those on. They also have a section of extras that they call them. So these are items you can add to your box if you want to. So I've picked, I want to say at least 3 or 4 things from that extra section for this video. So I'm excited for it. Trunk Club is a favorite of mine. It's probably one of my more favorite subscription boxes. Granted, like I mentioned, it's a little bit pricey, but I have found some really great items that I still wear to this day in Trunk Club boxes. So I will always in these types of videos leave a link to sign up in the description box down below. I am not in partnership with Trunk Club. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. They don't know who I am. I just buy these boxes and I make the videos. So let's get into it. Hope you enjoy it. I'm excited now. The cat's hitting the tripod. We need to get started. All right, first outfit. Let's do the jeans, our Wit and Wisdom skinny jeans. Okay, so let me explain. Well, let me tell you the top first so you can see the outfit. This is the brand Sanctuary. It is called the Modern Button Front Blouse, pink 3X, $47.40 is the price. These jeans are 78 bucks. I will say that this price may not be correct on the app. If anything is on sale on Nordstrom's website or in store, you get the sale price. So on the screen, I'll put the correct price right now of the item. So that's why it may be a little bit different from the price that I am verbally telling you. Okay, so these jeans, Wit and Wisdom skinny jeans, a bit of a raw hem at the bottom. We know skinny jeans aren't something I need in my, I have so many of them. But Wit and Wisdom, when people ask me what brand of jean I recommend, if they're willing to spend a little bit more money, Wit and Wisdom is it, hands down. I'm a size 20 across the board, or 20W, in every single style that they have. And I own, oh my gosh, so many Wit and Wisdom jeans. I have cropped skinnies, I have boot cut, I have a pair of like charcoal colored flares. I have a lot of Wit and Wisdom. They fit really nice, they feel nice. They have this bit of an elastic band here, even though it's a proper button and zip, there is that extra elastic in there. They just fit nice. They feel nice. I feel like they work well for me. So this top, I liked the color of it, this like corally pink color. It is slightly cropped, but I thought it could be cute with the jeans. It has an elastic bit here at the elbow, and it is kind of a waffle knit material. It's nice, it's pretty. Am I in love with it? No. I got one recently from Old Navy that's more tunic length, but it's pretty similar. It's like a linen blend, so it's pretty similar in look to this one. So I don't necessarily need a shirt like this, but I thought it could be cute. Trunk Club does send you a preview of everything you're getting ahead of time, and you can say yes, send it, no, don't send it, or you can even pick if there's other colors available in that item, you can pick those things. So I went ahead and said yes because I thought it could be a pretty summery top. So here it is, a bit tucked in, or just like front tucked a little bit. I have a pair of shoes. So these are Steve Madden Delay slide sandal, $69.95. I almost said no to these on the preview in the app, and then once I clicked to expand it, I realized how cute they were, so I'm glad that I didn't say no. How cute are love these. So they're like a leathery feel. I don't know if they're real leather. It doesn't say it on the paper, but it's got the gold bit here. These are so cute, and I thought that they could be cute with the outfit. They're a size 9.5. Typically with these kinds of shoes, I would probably go for a 10, but I feel like I've been doing Trunk Club long enough to where they know my size as well. Like if maybe this shoe runs a little bit big, then they half size down. Yep, they fit perfect. They're so cute with this outfit. Do I need them? No. But they're more of like a dressier slide, and they're comfortable. They fit nice. $70 is a lot of money. Let's do a little bit of a dressy blouse. This is called the Halogen brand cap sleeve blouse in a size 3X, $49. So this is one of the items. I went through my initial preview of the items that were coming, and there were a few things I didn't like, so I said don't send them. But at the bottom there's an option to say still send me other things or only send me what I've requested, and I always select still send me other things so that I can have 12 things total. And this is one of those items that they added at the last minute, so it's not really me. I feel like if I still worked as a TV news reporter, done, I would keep it 100%. It's perfect for TV. It's nice. It feels nice. It fits nice. But now I don't really have a use for it. It's pretty, don't get me wrong. But again, if I don't have a use for it, there's no need to just store it in my closet. Is a tad bit, like it's not snug on my stomach or hips, but it's not loose at all. Like there's absolutely no stretch to it. So the minute I sit down, I'm gonna have to pull it up to be able to sit down because it is a little bit snug. Same length all the way around. The arms fit fine. I have no complaints there. If they were like a centimeter or two smaller, like the opening smaller, they wouldn't work for me. Keyhole back. I was able to just put it over my head without undoing the little button at the top. So it's pretty. Like I keep saying, it's pretty. It's just, I don't really have a use for it right now, but it does look cute with the jeans. Yeah, I'm putting on a thong bodysuit. It's, just say a prayer for me as we continue on with this journey. Okay, it's on. I'm also wearing a skirt from them. So this bodysuit is the brand Open Edit. Nope, that's the skirt. Oh, and the bodysuit. So both of them are the brand Open Edit. This is the scoop neck bodysuit in a size 3X. This is the knit skirt in a size 3X. The bodysuit is 19 bucks. The skirt is 39. I really like the skirt. I feel like it's a cute, like sweatshirt material. Oh, the cat must see something in the window. Sweatshirt material type skirt. It has an elastic band here. It has pockets. The length is nice. I don't have any complaints. It's a little bit like snug on the hip stomach area. But it's a cute look, like the skirt with the bodysuit. Okay, so as far as the bodysuit, it's super soft, okay? Like it's thick, you can't see through it. I feel like this scoop here is really pretty. I'm wearing an actual bra, well, you can see it right there. But the thick strap covers the bra. Okay, so what I can't show you is the bottom of the jumpsuit. So it is very high cut, like on the hip area, and then it is straight up my backside. I'm wearing my own underwear, but it's just like, here's where it is. Look how high that is on the side. So it's very high. It's not really doing me any favors. I think this is the right size, but it's not like compression or snug to my body or anything. But I feel kind of chic in this look, like with some white sneakers. The longer I wear this bodysuit, the more I like it. And for $19, I feel like it's this is nice. Okay, so let's move on to the bottoms. These are Zella Studio Light Pocket Bike Shorts in a size 3X, $49. I didn't feel a pocket. Maybe they made in the front? Maybe right here? Yeah, there's a little pocket like for a key fob there. Okay, so I left on the bodysuit because I felt like you could really see the shorts, you know, with this on top. All right, so Zella, I love the Zella brand. They're a nicer, higher quality workout activewear brand. The only thing, I don't know why I didn't, but I like my activewear and leggings and bike shorts especially very snug. So I always get a size 2X, and then sometimes I'll even size down to a 1X because I just want that compression. I like it. That's what I want in a bike short. So I wish I would have sized down for sure to a 2X. They're also a little bit long for me. I like my bike shorts a little bit shorter, but these are nice, y'all. The feel and the quality, again, Zella is a great brand. I mean, I probably wouldn't wear this out unless maybe I had like a jacket or something to wear over it. Could be a cute look. It's a little bit too warm outside for that now, but like a jacket and some sneakers could be a cute look with this. It's very comfortable. I just think I'm like so impressed with the bodysuit that this could be worn so many ways, like under things, kimonos, jean jackets, jackets, so many things. All right, next thing we have is a dress. The brand is Zella for she in a size 2X. So I saw this brand blow up more recently because it's like a limited edition or limited pieces made in Los Angeles. And I saw a lot of influencers talking about it, purchasing items. So when I spotted that Nordstrom sold it and this was coming in my box, I got really, really excited because they have such like, some things like this, like minimal looking things, but then like they also have like bright bottoms and, you know, colorful tops. And I just thought this was an opportunity for me to try the brand, try the fit, see if it works for me. So I know I mentioned this was in a size 2X. The price is $53.40. Since it's an odd number, I feel like it's probably on sale. Okay, first and foremost, the feel of this, amazing. The fabric, buttery soft material. I love this color. The sleeves are rolled. I just need to fix them. They're like stitched on the inside, like underneath and on the top, but you just have to kind of place the roll. I love the high neck, super soft again. And then it's got this tie that I just wrapped around my waist. It doesn't have loops or anything to hold it in, which I like because then you can take it off if you wanted just a straightforward, easy dress with sneakers. I keep saying that all the time, but I feel like white sneakers are just a cute look with anything. So it is like a midi length, and then it's got a slit on the side. Now that I know size-wise that the 2X works, I can check out the other items on the website or even on Nordstrom's website, you know, and snag me some other things if I wanted to. It's cute. It feels nice. I think with shapewear it could be cute with sneakers without the tie. So let's talk about some accessories, some extras. So I added 4 extras to my trunk club box this go round. Let's do these sunglasses first. I always see these in the extra option, but I have a ton of sunglasses, but these are just so cute. And if I remember correctly, they weren't super pricey. 50mm round metal sunglasses. BP is the brand. They're 15 bucks. What do we think? I feel like all you're really seeing is the ring light and box lights. But here's what they look like. I feel like the lens 50mm is nice on my head. I mean, they're pretty basic. Okay. I mean, they're nice. You know, I mean, I don't think they're my favorite, but they're a nice, more affordable, less expensive pair compared to the ones that I already have. So if I were going like on vacation or something like that, I would probably take the pair that were a little bit less expensive. But also, to be fair, I love a good pair of like Dollar Tree sunglasses for $1 as well. So there's those. Let's do some jewelry. Oh, so these are BaubleBar. These are called the Petra Huggy Hoop Earrings, $19.20. So BaubleBar sells that Sugar Fix brand at Target. So it's like a more affordable option to the BaubleBar earrings. These are tiny. Oh, I thought they would be bigger. So here we are. I definitely know why they call them like ear hugger earrings, because they are super tiny. They're pretty. I like a good gold textured, like thicker earring like that. I do have 2 holes in my ears, so these will be cute in that second hole. I like them. They're just smaller than I thought. Last two things are SKIMS items. So my last Trunk Club box, I got a SKIMS bralette. Fell in love with it. I can't tell you. I probably wear that thing 4 or 5 times a week. It's just nice. So when I saw they had them, I grabbed another one. So the one I already own is called the Pointelle Logo Triangle Bralette. It's 38 bucks. The one I currently have is in a size 3X. And I feel like it was just a little bit big. I had it hooked on like the tightest hook in the back, and it still felt just a little bit loose. So I grabbed this other color in a size smaller, in a size 2X. So that's what it looks like. Now, to be fair, my chest is a little bit too big for this triangle. So it sort of has quite a bit of cleavage in the front, but it's so comfortable. Adjustable straps. It's just, I can't tell you how comfortable these things are. And it's actually lined in the back, which is nice. So I'll probably end up keeping this one as well. I'll try it on just to be sure. But I feel like this one's gonna be nice. So there we go. This one, highly recommend. If you're looking for a good bralette, then spend the money and at least try it. If you order it and you hate it, then you can always send it back. But I've just gotten so much wear out of mine. And for $38, I feel like as much as I've worn it was a great deal. So I also got something else from SKIMS. This is the Jelly Sheer Scoop Bralette, Jelly Sheer Scoop Neck Bralette in a size 2X. This is the beige color and it was $36. I'm not gonna lie, this is not a lot of fabric. Okay. Yeah, I can tell you right now, this is gonna be a no from me. There's really nothing to it. It's very thin. I feel like you can see straight through it. It looks super comfortable, but yeah, that's just, it's gonna be a no from me. That fabric is just way too thin for me. And there's really no support. Not that the other one has support, but it's like that cottony, like a little bit thicker material. So it makes me feel like it's holding them in place. This one, not so much. So let's wrap everything up. I really liked the bodysuit, which surprised me. I just feel like it was nice. You couldn't see through it. It fit really well. It was super high on the hip, but nobody's seeing it. I'm wearing pants with it. I like that. I do like the gray sweatshirt material skirt. Maybe not with the bodysuit, but it was cute with like a white tee front tucked with some sneakers. Could be cute. These Steve Madden slides, those might be a keeper. And then what else? Oh, that SKIMS bralette. The white one, I'll probably keep. The other one is not, I don't think it's gonna work for me. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Everything you just saw, I will find it on Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack or somewhere if it's cheaper and link it down below. Like I mentioned, I'll also leave a link to sign up for Trunk Club in the description box down below if you're interested. It is pricey, I've said that a lot of times, but they do nice things that hold up really well. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.